What if you could create a full animated videos just by chatting with AI? Meet Anijam AI, the revolutionary AI animation agent that automate the entire production process for you, from idea generation and script writing to storyboarding, character design, animation, voiceover, lip syncing, and final video creation. It's basically the chat GPT of animation. You simply type what you want, and Anijam AI does all the heavy lifting in minutes. No animation skills, no expensive team, no complicated software. This changed everything for content creators, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can use it step by step. It's super easy, it's friendly to use. You just need to click on the link in my video description. Once you guys click on the link, it will take you to this page. You just need to sign up using your email address. Once you have an account, this will be your Anijam AI homepage. So what you will do next, you just need to put here your animation idea. Okay, so let's type here, this is my idea, guys. I have an idea like this. Okay, you see, so just type here your idea and just click over here on this icon over here like this, and you will be, guys, in this page over here. As you guys can see, it's super easy and simple. So what you will do next, you will scroll down over here and go to storyboard plan. You can choose any storyboard plan that you want. For me, I will choose workflow mode. Okay, and over here I will just click on confirm like this, and here you go. And once you guys click on confirm, you guys will see this options here. You guys can see here. Okay, super easy and friendly, easy to use. Okay, now let me set up the project's configuration for your story. Okay, you can choose your audience here. So I will choose kids. This is my audience that I want. Here the platform, you have YouTube, you have short films, ads. Okay, so for me, I will choose YouTube. You have here aspect ratio. I will choose this option, and here, guys, you have audio mode. I will choose voiceover, and here you have timing. Okay, choose your timing you want here. Super easy. Once you confirm, just click on confirm again like this, and here you go. And once you guys click on confirm, here is your confirmed setup. Okay, you will see your confirmed setup here. Your setting, audience, platform, aspect ratio, audio mode, and the timing of your video. Okay, once you click, just scroll down. You have here outline created. Your outline was created, all done by AI, easy and fast. Okay, so you will scroll more down and click over here on style design. Okay, and here you go, guys. You have here different styles, so you just need to pick one. So for me, I will choose this one, guys. Okay, to choose this one, waterscape, this one, I will just click on this one here, and that's it. Here you go. You just need, so AI will ask you some questions, and you just need to follow those steps to get a perfect result. Okay, so once you pick your style, you will scroll more down and click on, let's move to the next stage. Okay, and click on this one, concept design. Okay, so just click on concept design, and here you go. So once you guys click on concept design, you will get this info here. You have everything, and this will be your concept design. You guys can see here the tape, items, characters, locations, everything. Okay, so what you will do next, you just need to click on generate all concepts. Okay, just click on this one like this, and once you guys click on generate all concepts, your image will be generated. As you guys can see, full high quality image, which is really good. It's easy and it's friendly. Okay, if you scroll more down, you have all your image has been generated, as you guys can see here. Okay, concept updated, you guys can see all 6 concepts generated beautifully. Let me save them all now. You guys can see AI will do everything for you. Okay, so what you will do next, you will keep scrolling down. You have here your concept design complete. Okay, you see here all the info, so you can confirm. Once everything is looking good, you just need to click on create storyboard plan. Okay, just like this, and here you go. Okay, you guys can see like it's easy to use. Okay, another thing that makes Anijam AI really powerful is how beginner friendly it is. Right now they are offering freemium model, so anyone can start creating animated videos immediately without needing expensive software or professional team. New users also, guys, get 500 free credits just for signing up, plus 100 free daily check-in credit to keep creating content consistently. Okay, what's crazy is that this entire process, guys, works not only on PC, not only on laptop, but also directly on mobile browsers and in the Anijam app. Okay, so you can literally create full AI animated videos straight from your phone anywhere, anytime. And the workflow is insanely simple. You just enter your idea or prompt, choose your preferred creation model like AI director mode, workflow mode, Oscar mode, or storyboard plan. Then pick your video style and format. After that, the AI automatically generates concept, scenes, characters, script, storyboards, animations, voiceover, and even final video output for you. It's basically connects the entire process from text to image to full animated video all in one place. It honestly feels like using chat gpt for animation creation. Okay, so once you guys click on create storyboard plan, AI will create it for you. As you guys can see, super easy. All the info here, storyboard, you guys can see scene, shoot, duration, the timing, everything. Okay, so just scroll more down like this again and click on generate keyframe. Okay, just like this. And once you guys click on generate keyframe, you will scroll more down. Here you go, everything is done by AI, which is good. You will just scroll more down and click on generate all at once. Okay, I will click on this one, and once you guys click on generate all at once, here you go, AI will start generating batch one all scene first came frames. Okay, and here you go, and you will get a result like this. You guys can see, you will scroll more down. Here is, so the batch one is done, all keyframes generated beautifully. Let me save them and move to batch 2. AI is taking care of everything. It started generating the batch 2, you guys can see here. So it's super easy, guys. It's simple, as you guys can see. And what you will do next, guys, you just need to scroll more down. You guys can see here storyboard updated, batch 1 saved. Now let me generate batch 2, and it will generate the batch 2, which is really good, fast and easy. You will just scroll more down. Here is the keyframe generation complete, you guys can see here. You just need to click again on generate clip. Okay, so just click on generate clip, and here you go. Once you guys click again on generate clip, you will just scroll more down. Here is all the info, all the details. So just scroll more down and go and click over here on generate all clips at once. So you get everything done. Okay, and here you go, guys. All your videos, clips are generated and saved, as you guys can see over here. Okay, so you guys can see everything here. Okay, you have access to everything. Okay, so what you will do next here, you will just click on generate narration. Okay, after you guys click on generate narration, you will scroll more down. You will get this all the info here. So what you will do next, you will just scroll more down and click on choose voice and generate like this. And here you go, AI will take care of everything, guys. Okay, from the beginning until the end. Okay, and here you go, guys, the AI will choose a perfect voice for your video. Okay, you guys can see here, which is really good. If you can check this voice over from here. Also, you guys can choose another voiceover if you want from here. Okay, so for me, this one is good. It's good for me. I will just click on confirm like this. Once you guys click on confirm, AI will add your voiceover. Your speech audio was created, as you guys can see here. Everything done by AI. Super easy and simple and fast. Okay, what you will do next, you will just scroll again more down over here. Now let's add some gentle background music to complete the mood. Let's click on generate BGM like this. And once you guys click on generate BGM, you will scroll more down and your background music was created. You guys can see here, this is our background music, which is good. And here you go. Like you guys can see that AI take care of everything. Okay, you don't need to do anything, you don't need any experience, you don't need any skills. You can just use Anijam AI to make a full animated videos done by AI. Super easy and friendly to use. You guys can see, okay, you can see in this video like it's easy. So what you will do next, you will just scroll down and click on a render preview video. Just click on this one here. So once you guys click on a render preview video, you will get a result like this and your video is done. So let's check it out, guys, and let me know your opinion in the comments. Okay, let's check now the video, guys, and let me know your opinion in the comments.
Deep in a peaceful forest, a little fox named Leo playfully darted among the vibrant wildflowers, eagerly exploring the dappled morning sunlight filtering through the trees. But a worried chirping caught his ear, and he froze. Something was clearly wrong in the quiet woods. By the riverbank, a mother bird fluttered anxiously at the foot of a towering tree. Cheer, 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 she called desperately to the treetop, where her tiny baby bird was trapped on a fragile branch. Without a second thought, brave Leo placed his soft paws on the rough bark and began to climb steadily, branch by branch, higher into the tall tree. Higher and higher he went, climbing steadily upward. Then came a terrible crack. The branch beneath the baby bird was breaking apart. Leo lunged forward, scooping the baby bird to safety just in time. Carefully, he climbed down to the soft grass. The mother bird rushed eagerly to her baby, chirping with joy. As the sun set, Leo watched the small family fly free together, heart full of wonder.
And here you go, guys, you guys can see it's super easy. It's very high quality animated videos done by Anijam AI. The link of Anijam AI will be in my video description, guys, so you guys can go and click on the link and start creating your animated videos. Okay, faceless videos, of course. If you want to download the video, just click here on download, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, that's exactly, guys, how to use Anijam AI to make animated videos. Like I said, the link of Anijam AI will be in my video description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.